Hi, I'm Jeremiah Gardner with the Vegetation Management Department, which currently employs 13 certified arborists. Our goal is to provide public safety and reliability to the overhead electric utility with respect to tree maintenance. Currently, we coordinate upwards of 750 circuit miles of line per year. In order to maintain good forest practices and limit overall tree canopy loss, we supplement any tree removals for our customers with our tree replacement program. This program has tree certificates with a monetary value that can be redeemed at local nurseries within the county. This promotes the model of right tree, right place that you can find on our website.